When we look around Metro Vancouver, we see incredible development in these new hubs of density. But when it comes to industrial land, there really is no land left available. So we saw an opportunity. How do we reimagine industrial strata for small and medium-sized businesses, for people that want to own their own space? The answer is IntraUrban, best-in-class industrial strata designed for smart business.
We were looking for a space for a while. I mean, it's very difficult to find the right spec for Commerce Rate Connect. Everything out on the market was either too old, it was too small, or it just needed too much work. So, I mean, this was great value for money, excellent location, and it really met all the specs that we needed. And our major inventory here is real estate. So, I mean, for us, owning the asset rather than having to lease somebody else's building, I mean, it was a slam dunk.
The First IntraUrban Business Park on Laurel Street in South Vancouver sold out in less than 4 months. We knew we were onto something. We knew we had to take the idea further. IntraUrban Rivershore on the waterfront, strategically located between Vancouver and Richmond in the heart of the city. One of the advantages of an IntraUrban project is it's brand new, architecturally designed, made for your business. That means high performance, great usability, and low upkeep for the long term. IntraUrban gives companies a chance to invest in their own future. IntraUrban Rivershore is one of Metro Vancouver's last traditional industrial strata opportunities.